today
with the March buddy box. This is not the first box review we've done today. Or no, let's call it an unboxing. It's not really a
unboxing.
review.
So I've not seen in this one at all. So this is.
Do you know what?
new.
I took a really quick look when it came, but I don't know what's in it.
Oh,
It's,
okay.
seems to be snail related. This
Oh
one.
yeah, we've got a snail on the top.
Open it.
They
There
spend
we
a lot
go.
of money on their packaging, don't they? Because they always have.
Ah,
that
Pooh,
there.
I do remember
But
this.
look.
I was totally going to save this for you as a surprise. But you can't have it now.
Oh my god, no way! I love this so much, and I know it's not completely altruistic you give it to me because you haven't got a bath.
She's not having it yet.
I've got vanilla. When can I have it?
You can have it on your birthday.
Oh, damn it! That's so long away.
Oh,
Oh my god!
I will buy you some as well.
I
She
don't know,
absolutely loves the Made by Coopers bath salts.
Yeah,
It
and
is
I've not
the
had
bomb
I've not
for
had
her.
vanilla rose before. My favourite is the rose and eucalyptus, and I love it so much that I if I'm just in the shower, I get some hot water in a cup and
Oh,
and
we
sorry
can't smell it,
and
can we?
no we can't, so you can't open it. And I dissolve some in the cup, and then I use that to wash my hair and body with in the shower.
It's
I love
vegan,
it that much.
handcrafted and organic, and I absolutely love everything that Made by Coopers do. They do like a night spray, and they do a revive spray, and they just do,
They do a foot soap. They do
gorgeous,
everything.
gorgeous
It's lovely.
products.
Maybe I
Right,
could London.
I know another thing, wait, look, that you will be interested in. Look, it's one of these.
Make it happy. Is this another big
Yeah.
map thing? Right, okay, yeah, because last, if you've seen any of our videos back along, there was a map, and we didn't know what it was, and then by the end of the video, I was like, this
And
is
I was
amazing!
like, what is this? I was
Yeah.
like, what is this in the box?
Because it does look like a pamphlet you would just
There's
pick
a
up,
little thing. I'm
you
sure
know,
there's
from
a
a,
thing that tells you what's in the box somewhere.
and this is just, I think it was, are you looking for answers, the last one was? Was it looking
Yeah,
for
it
answers,
was
answers
something
of
like that,
everything,
yeah.
And this,
Mapology guide, make it happen. And its retail
so
price is
this
£5.
is lovely, and so it's almost, this one's laid out a little bit like a game, and actually it's great as motivational tool. This is, I love it. It's
I
already
haven't looked
brilliant.
at it at all, I've no idea.
So Clubhouse is where you start, and it says there's no starting point, there's no going back. That's just the way we do things around here. Around here we go forward, sometimes slowly, sometimes with a bit of luck, but always forwards. You might be worried, you might be scared, don't be, just follow the arrows and take your time and you'll get there.
But what do you do with them though?
Just put them on your wall. It's
I'd have
almost like a
no wall.
poster.
Right, that's pretty big, right? So I've had one of those already in a box like
Yeah, I
2-3
know.
months ago.
Yeah.
So if I put that on my wall, it's you use the back and the
Okay.
front of it, don't you?
Okay, yeah,
So
big
what am I
books.
gonna do with that one?
Well, this one, okay, what I would probably do with this is fold it up and keep a whole notebook of them. So you can keep getting one out to look
I
at.
don't know.
Okay, so these are things that you might say, and
Big
actually, in my job as a
Wait.
Weight Watchers coach, big butts, big butt, and I cannot lie,
The other brother can deny.
is my job. It's a great motivational is a key part of what I do in my day job. So, and I hear it, and with weight loss on a journey, it's always something I need to lose weight, but there's always a reason. There's always, I need to do anything. Like, I want a new job. I want to lose weight. I want to go on holiday. I want to, do
I want to
anything.
hit that special number with my blog views.
Yeah, okay, but
Those sorts of things.
but I haven't got the time. You're not sure what to focus on. You don't know where to start, but you won't know how to keep going. But you don't have many skills, contacts, yada yada yada. And it gives you an answer for that you can just tell yourself and talk through, and sometimes it's better to step outside of your own headspace, isn't it?
Yeah, so I know that you're a really big fan of those.
I like those. I do like
Okay,
them.
let me ask you something. If you saw it in a shop for £5, would you buy it?
No, I would not buy it for £5. I have to say, I'm really sorry. It would be better as like a free, no, maybe not free, maybe as an email
Oh, hello.
or
Hi.
something like that. I wouldn't pay £5 for it.
Another fun fact, I just was having a look at the, oh my gosh, the ingredients, that's not what it's called, is it? Oh, the contents, and the bath salts are also, they retail at £5 as well.
Yeah, 'cause it's a little
interesting
pouch.
to know the value of the things that you got, because I think,
The big pouches is £12.99.
yeah, she obviously knows because she loves them. I always think it's interesting to see the sort of value of products that you do get in a box. I mean, this is a slightly more expensive box than other ones, and I think this is like 24. I
Yeah.
don't know. It's like nearly £25, I think. So you get the little magazine, and you get a little postcard that says "Little by little, one travels far." And they're cute.
There was a llama last time. There it
It's on
is.
the back of my laptop. Oh, I still have that one. Yeah.
You're the llama's pyjamas. Last time I'm pointing up there. You can't see that, but it's up there. And then you get something like a badge or a little stickers. Last time was a laptop
Yeah, and
stickers.
that's an iron-on patch,
An iron patch.
which retail price is £5. I love iron-on patches. They're really cute.
What do you iron them on to?
I don't know, but I think they're really cute. You could put it on a comfort blanket
You could.
if you were 5. No, I actually. I would put that on
I
a
think
blanket.
they just call them blankets when you're our age.
I would
Comfort
put that on a
blankets.
blanket. Yeah.
I'm putting it on a
would.
comfort blanket.
All right, and then
I think we've had one like this before. Haven't you had that
sometimes they do put books in them. Is that just a book
Yeah.
of quotes?
Just be you. You got this. Talk to yourself like you would do to someone you love. This is awesome. This is a beautiful book.
See, that's the Kim Welling Instant Comfort Pocketbook,
Mm.
and its retail price again is £5.
That's a bargain for that, actually. I pay £5 for that, definitely.
So actually, the value of everything in the box is £26.99.
I'm getting a lot of bargain, aren't you?
No, because then it really does come down to the fact that, I mean, okay, look at this one. This is the Instant Comfort Pocketbook. DIY made for one. So this
It's always something to make, isn't
retails.
it?
Is this the one that's called Just Be You?
No, this is this one.
Oh, so that one's £6.99.
Okay, yeah, that's
Oh,
more
okay,
like it.
okay. So this is
I could have told you that because it says
£5.
how much it is on the back.
so this is the £5 one.
Yeah,
I
because
don't
it's a
really know
book.
what
It's
this
already got
is.
£6.99 printed. Don't just be good to others, be good to yourself too. I have to say, this is kind of like a Weight Watchers coach, like
So
Bible.
I'm not going to read that. I really don't. Let's have a look.
Why don't you just wrap the box up? You can keep that.
I might,
Wrap the box up for me.
might re-gift it.
That's lovely. I thought, oh, but then re-gift it.
Hang on, wait, what's this? So do it yourself. Oh, look, it's not filled up properly. That's a shame. This kit includes one tutorial on printed item, one matchbox template, and one piece of cardboard for 3D effect.
Again, I love that this.
So you make a little pocket comfort
Oh, you
box
make a-
out
for
of
the
the
book?
matchbox. No, out of
Oh.
this. Oh, that's actually really.
You love that now, don't you?
We would pay a £5 for that. To be
Keep
honest,
it.
I probably
And
would.
actually, this scene again is really very helpful, and I think it's probably because it resonates with me personally this month that I like it.
So, would you buy it?
No, I would
Okay.
buy the individual bits of a few of them, because actually 2 of those 3 things I would buy, and I would
You
pay
definitely would buy the
that.
Made
Definitely
by
buy
Coopers.
the Made by Coopers London Salt. I would definitely buy the.
Oh, we
the
didn't
book.
do the favourite thing in the box. I can't open it.
You
It's so
did it.
hard to
Made by
open.
Coopers and the book.
And mine was that little matchboxy thingy that I showed
Okay,
you.
so that's 3 things out there we really like.
Yeah.
So, all right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.